If you live in Worcester, you already know how the New England weather can take a toll on your home, especially on older wooden doors. Over time, moisture, temperature changes, and daily wear cause wooden doors to warp, swell, or crack. While many homeowners put off replacing them, upgrading to a new, modern door can deliver a surprising number of benefits. From better comfort to improved home value, replacing old wooden doors is a smart investment for Worcester residents looking to enhance both style and functionality. Better energy efficiency throughout Worcester's weather extremes. Worcester winters can be especially harsh, and older wooden doors often become drafty as gaps form around their frames. When cold air sneaks in, your heating system has to work harder, resulting in higher utility bills. Newer doors, whether fiberglass, steel, or upgraded wood, are built with advanced insulation and tighter seals designed to block outdoor temperatures. Replacing old wooden doors means fewer drafts, less energy waste, and a more comfortable home year-round. You'll feel the difference on frigid winter mornings and humid summer afternoons. Increased home security and peace of mind. Wooden doors that have softened, cracked, or warped may no longer offer the protection they once did. Weak spots can develop, hinges may loosen, and older locking systems simply can't stand up to modern security needs. Today's replacement doors are engineered for strength and durability. Many come with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials. Upgrading your old door gives your family greater safety and offers peace of mind, especially if your current door is decades old. A major boost in curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your front door is one of the most visible parts of your home. When a wooden door becomes faded or weather damaged, it can make your entire exterior look dated. Replacing it with a fresh, stylish option instantly transforms the look of your home. Modern doors come in countless designs, colors, window styles, and finishes. Whether you prefer a traditional New England look or something more modern, there's a replacement door that will elevate your home's appearance and create a welcoming entrance. Reduced maintenance for busy Worcester homeowners. Old wooden doors require constant upkeep, scraping, sanding, repainting, sealing, and repairing damage caused by moisture or pests. Over time, these maintenance tasks add up. Replacement doors, especially fiberglass or steel options, offer the same beautiful appearance as wood without the heavy upkeep. They resist warping, cracking, and rot, meaning you spend less time on repairs and more time enjoying your home. Even high-quality wooden replacement doors use improved treatments and finishes that last much longer than older versions. Increased home value and market appeal. If you're planning to sell your Worcester home in the future, replacing old wooden doors can provide a strong return on investment. Buyers notice updated doors because they signal a well-maintained property. A modern, energy-efficient entry door can make your home more attractive on the market and help it stand out against other listings. Even if you don't plan to sell soon, you'll still enjoy the improvement in comfort, safety, and style, while adding long-term value to your property. Enhanced indoor comfort and noise reduction. Old doors often allow not only drafts but also outside noise to filter in. Whether you live near a busy street or simply want more privacy, a new door can significantly improve sound insulation. Better materials, denser cores, and improved weather stripping all contribute to a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Upgrade your Worcester home with a new door. Replacing old wooden doors is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's one of the easiest ways to improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. Whether you choose a beautifully crafted wooden door or a low-maintenance modern material, the benefits are immediate and long-lasting. For Worcester homeowners looking to protect their property from the elements and enhance everyday living, a door replacement is a smart, worthwhile investment.